How to turn off automatic system update on Android devices. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down. You're gonna find the option software update. Click on that. Now here, you're gonna find the option download and install. Clicking on that option, you'll find out if you have updates for your device or not. Now, in order to disable automatic download, you'll need to head back and disable for this option auto download over Wi-Fi or any other options related to auto download. You'll need to disable for it. With that, the automatic download for this system will be disabled. And that's it. This way you can easily turn off automatic system update. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.